Hi guys, Ninjani. I hope you guys are good. Mina ngiyaphila. Kwi-video ethe namhlanje ngibona ukuthi ngi-share nani my favorite mask, my turmeric mask. I leave it on for 20 minutes. So yes, if you guys are interested, qhubekani nibuke. So if you are sensitive to turmeric or lemon, maybe it's not a good one for you. So yeah, meaning says that like it makes my face like radiant, like my face is beginning to look like dull. I use it. Obviously, you don't have to do it every day. I mean, I do it like once or twice a week because I think like it's so like a strong, like for example lemon, like young back and like turmeric is strong. So I recommend we fight every day. So yeah, if you guys are interested, thank you. So guys, to make this mask you need your turmeric, you need honey, and then you need lemon. Kumele uhlanganise konke lokho ku-3. So you just take a small cup and then put your turmeric, like a tablespoon of turmeric, then put honey, also a tablespoon, and then put your lemon, also a tablespoon as well. Just mix everything together to form like a runny consistency, almost like a runny like paste, something like that. Yeah, well, and then you'll be done. Yeah, and mix. So guys, this is my face before I apply everything. So to apply is just this foundation brush. I think I got it at Fortune, I think for 60 rands if I'm not mistaken. Get time to apply and get brush because it's not messy then like because turmeric can get very messy and then die food your hands. So I think it's best if you use a brush, any brush that you have, just making sure you coat your whole face. So obviously circling your eyes paler, like because I think we are all sensitive to turmeric. Oopsie. We're all sensitive to turmeric because young and there's lemon there as well. So just remember to circle your eyes. If you do get some emehlweni, just rinse it with water and seek medical attention if ubona ukuthi kuyaqhubeka. So yeah, I just massage it and then drag it down my neck. I just do that even with my foundation. Angazi noma kuyasiza and with the mask and stuff, but everything that I apply on my face, I just try to drag it on to my neck, sometimes even my chest. So you just massage all over your face and just make sure ukuthi awushiyanga skhala, everything is coated, your whole face is yellow. So yeah. So this is what my face looks like after I've rinsed everything off. For sure you can't see any like visible difference, but like when I touch it, it's definitely softer, it's definitely smoother. You need to do this at least twice a week. I do it at least twice a week, and I find that my skin is radiant. So yeah, remember guys, if you are sensitive to any of the products that I used, so I don't think this is the mask for you, but otherwise this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, thank you so much.